Today I'm going to show you how to basically make your laptop that has a wired internet connection into a virtual wireless router. Right? To do so, you need few things done. Right? So first, you're gonna have to go to your internet connection at the bottom right hand corner, open up network sharing center, right? Change adapter settings. Right, you notice that there are only two internet connections there. There is supposed to be three. There are supposed to be three internet connections, right? So we need to get that third one, right? Instead of going to there as well, you can just go to Start, type View Internet Connections, right? It gets you to the same place, right? So basically, this is where you will end up back, right? So we need to have the Microsoft Virtual Wi-Fi mini port adapter, right? It's not here. It's installed by default with Windows 7 machines that is compatible with this service, right? So for us to get it there, right, I already copied this, right, and modified it, but the description will be these commands from these DOS commands will be in the description below the video, right? So I already modified it, right? So I'm just gonna go and I'm gonna enter these commands. Well, the first command I should say, right? As I said, I already modified mine. So I'm gonna hit enter. So the first command is supposed to bring up your third internet connection, right? This which you want, right? So as it's up, I'm gonna go on to the second step, which is share my local area connection. So I'm gonna right click my local area connection, go to properties, right, go to the sharing tab, allow other users to use this internet connection, right, and then I'm gonna choose with the name of my internet connection for the Microsoft Virtual Wi-Fi mini port adapter, so which is the wireless network connection 2. Then I'm gonna click OK, right? So now that is shared, right, I need to go to the second DOS step that is in the description box. So I'm gonna copy this. Make sure when you copy there's no space behind, lest it will give you an error. So copy that, go to your command prompt, and make sure when you're running the command prompt, right click it and run as administrator, right? So it won't give you error message saying that you need administrative privileges to run these commands. So I'm gonna paste this and then I'm gonna start my network. Now you say the hosted network started. So if you notice, if I go here, right, let's just go back to this. You notice that it said admin router, so it's actually started. So I can actually use a Wi-Fi device and search for internet connection, and I will find the virtual Wi-Fi mini port adapter with the name that you gave, the SSID, which is the name of your router, and you should be getting internet once it's shared and you have active connection. So guys, subscribe below, like, comment, share it if you know somebody that is suffering from this, as in they just have a wired internet connection, a wired laptop, and sometimes they need wireless connection for the phone or the tablet. You know, you can share it, you know, let them see the video and let them do these simple steps. Once it's a Windows 7, I'm not sure about the Windows 8. I will have to get you some update on the Windows 8, but to do this one with the Windows 7, this is what you need to do, right? Also, there are a few things that we can possibly do, right, to make it easier for you. I already created them, right, but you could create shortcuts to start the wireless service, the wireless router, and stop the wireless router. So by doing that, you need to right click on your desktop, right, then you go to new shortcut, And what you're going to do is copy the second command prompt in the description box below, right? You're going to copy it, paste it here, then you're going to click next, and then you're going to give it a name. I already created mine. So then after you give it the name that you want, I say start virtual router as my name, then just click finish, right? And you're going to do the same for the third step, and you could just write stop virtual router, so that it's simple steps. But thank you for watching again, guys. See you soon again.